Hi there, this is Jen Kitzmiller with the National Weather Service in Missoula, and I have your planning briefing recorded on Sunday, March 28th. So we're still tracking a very powerful cold front that's going to be moving through the area later this afternoon through tonight, producing damaging winds across much of western Montana and north central Idaho. A secondary concern with this front will be snow, intense at times on mountain passes and high elevation valleys tonight into Monday morning. We are expecting to see cooler and showery conditions continue into Tuesday before we see a warming and drying trend for the Wednesday into Friday timeframe. There is potential to see some breezy winds on Thursday, though at this point they're not looking anywhere nearly as strong as what we're expecting for tonight. So just to give you a final estimate on wind speeds and timing of the strongest winds with the cold front, it's going to be moving through northwest Montana first. We're looking at the 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. time frame for the strongest winds. This snapshot includes areas such as Kalispell, Eureka, Glacier National Park, Libby, and Bull Lake. And within this area, we're expecting winds to be pretty widespread with gusts of 40 to 55 miles per hour. And it is potential to see some local gusts as high as 70 miles per hour. So with winds this strong, it's not unexpected to see damage to trees, power lines, and personal property. The cold front's going to continue to sag south and east overnight tonight, so it should make it into west central Montana and north central Idaho between roughly 8 p.m. and midnight tonight. This snapshot includes areas such as Missoula, Polson, Orofino, Grangeville, Sealy, Swan, and Stevensville. And we're not expecting the winds to be quite as strong as we are across northwest Montana, but still looking at widespread gusts between 40 to 50 miles per hour, with some local areas seeing up to 60 miles per hour. So damage from these winds is still very possible. The cold front then shifts into southwest Montana and Lemhi County. Overnight tonight, it looks like mostly in that 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. Monday. This area would include Butte, Salmon, Anaconda, and the southern Bitterroot Valley. And we're again expecting to see widespread gusts in the 40 to 50 mile per hour range, with local gusts as high as 65 miles per hour. Another concern, as I mentioned earlier with this system, is we are going to be seeing some moderate to heavy snow showers with and behind the cold front. So this is just one model's depiction of how the front and the precipitation with it is going to move through the area. And I'll show you that across northwest Montana, showers begin as early as 7 to 8 p.m., but you'll quickly see those areas of green going over to all blue, and that's that colder air coming in behind the cold front, where really all elevations will have the potential to see some snowfall. But the mountain passes in particular are going to be seeing some periods of snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour, and with the wind it could lead to a brief period of whiteout type conditions as the cold front passes. Then you'll see this is midnight tonight, and that area of precipitation shifts down towards southwest Montana. Areas such as Butte, Georgetown Lake, Anaconda could see some periods of heavy snow as well down into the valleys. And then as we get into the overnight hours, overall precipitation lightens up, but could very well see some light snow continuing, particularly in those mountainous areas and over mountain passes well into Monday morning. Another thing to consider with this is that we are going to be seeing temperatures dropping as much as 20 to 30 degrees behind the cold front. So any roadways, particularly in the higher elevations, that become wet or slushy as the cold front passes could very well see some icy conditions as those temperatures drop. Now, as we get into Monday afternoon, it will be quite showery. We could even see some snow bands develop across the area. For the most part, we don't expect to see a lot of accumulations just due to the warming temperatures and warming roadways. However, areas that end up under heavier precipitation could see brief accumulations into Monday afternoon and even into Monday evening. So that's the next time frame to watch, because it does look like snow levels will be down into virtually all elevations by Monday midday. So here's a look at potential snow accumulations through the day Monday. This image is showing the probability of snow greater than 4 inches in the tonight through Monday time frame. And so you'll see those pass areas along the Continental Divide, Marias Pass, down into the Sealy Swan, and then through the Clearwater Mountains, including areas such as Lolo Pass, have very high probabilities, 70 to 90% chances of seeing at least 4 inches of snow. So there could be a pretty wide stretch of, for instance, Highway 12 here through Idaho that could see some light to moderate snowfall accumulations in this time frame. Southwest Montana isn't standing out as much here, but it could be very intense in that area as the front comes through. So this is kind of a watch out area in terms of we may end up with more snow accumulations than the forecast is currently showing. Moving into Tuesday and Wednesday, as I mentioned, high pressure will start to build in. Tuesday still looks fairly showery and cool, but overall temperatures will begin to warm, and by Wednesday it looks relatively warm and dry. As we get into Thursday, that upper level ridge flattens a little bit and brings in some stronger winds aloft. So while Thursday looks like it will likely be warm and dry, it will also likely be breezy on Thursday. So here's a look at our weather impact matrix. Overall, we continue to highlight Monday here for the high to extreme winds that we're expecting. Again, this is primarily going to be occurring Sunday night into early Monday morning. And then the snow will continue through much of the day Monday with becoming more showery and possibly even some snow bands. We highlighted Tuesday in yellow for that lingering snow showers. Then otherwise, most of the week going into Friday looks relatively benign, other than the potential for some breezy winds on Thursday. So that's all we have for today's briefing. Feel free to give us a call if you have any other questions or concerns. And otherwise, we will do another one of these on Thursday. Have a great day.